can record the conversation. Okay, fine. So yeah, can you open your ideally Python ideally? Can you share your screen?
Okay, sir.
I will.
Uh, Disable
One more thing is when you are coming on the call, basically the light should be on your face. See how clear
Okay.
my face is, right? So you are able to see my face very clearly. Is that correct?
Uh,
Because during the interviews, actually, if you have a decent background, okay, we
okay.
cannot say when interviews will happen, at what times will they happen. So we have to be ready with a decent background, okay.
Okay.
So you choose one place in your home where you can sit and you can, you know, no noise, surrounding noise should be there. Okay, no dogs barking, no music, no kitchen utensils sounds. So you have to be you have to place yourself at a place where it is very silent. Okay, and
A silent
good.
place is upstairs.
Yes,
Upstairs.
yeah. Then you have to go to upstairs. Make sure the internet connectivity is real good. Otherwise, you will not get an. See, interviews are almost one opportunity. Okay, so if you lose that opportunity because of internet connection, then I think that is the worst thing that could happen to anybody. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah,
Okay,
let
sir.
us start. Share the screen. I will give you some information. Yeah,
Especially, please change your place.
yeah. I would strongly suggest that you change your place and internet connectivity. If it is, you have the best internet connectivity, then that is the place you have to choose. Yeah, now I think it is much better. Okay, so share your screen.
Oh,
I will give you a few instructions. Let us have a look at those important points, which are silly points, but they are also important. Okay. Um, so in this, during the morning session, we have discussed about different data types. So did you do some practice? Simple, right? I think about
uh,
5, 6.
Sim-
Okay. So are you very clear on those data types? We have even
uh, yes.
we have even discussed basically none data type. Okay.
Yes.
Where it is used, why it is used, we will discuss at a later point in time. But there
Okay.
is also a none data type that you have to understand.
Okay.
It
Okay,
is
sir.
not zero. Okay. None is a different data type. Okay.
Right.
So yeah, share
Okay.
your screen. Okay, fine. Yeah, minimize this screen. See, what you have to clearly understand is about all those three buttons towards top right corner of your applications. Okay, one is
Okay.
minimize, one is resize, basically either maximize or resize. Okay, the middle button, and the other button is a X mark, which is for closing the application. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want you to go to IDLE. So type it very slow. Okay, so that I can give you some instructions. IDLE. Okay.
Okay.
So don't one moment. Don't do any operations. Okay. Please minimize your operations using mouse. Okay. So now you press enter.
Okay.
That's it. You don't need to do anything else. You just press enter.
Okay.
Let us see if it is opening or not. Is it opening?
Okay. Opening.
So with the
Opening.
mouse, you don't need to select once again ideally Python. Okay. If you type ideally and press enter,
Okay.
you will automatically open it. Okay. Maximize this
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
Maximize this. Super. I think now you are aware about different components, which are, as I told you earlier, they are very silly components, but they mean a lot. Okay. So can you try to quit? What is the command to quit Python IDLE? What is the shortcut?
CMD.
No.
CMD.
CMD is to open a command prompt. Control D. If you can just press Control D, it will
Control
quit.
D.
Just check. Did it quit? It closed,
Quit.
right? Yeah.
Close
So
it.
it closed
Close
the IDLE. So now what we will do is,
ID.
in the search, you type add remove programs. In the search, you type add add space. Yeah. So
Remove program.
you can just press enter. Let us see if it opens add or remove programs. So has it opened it? Okay. So mouse operations are always not necessary. At times you may need them, but not always. Okay. So here in the search apps, okay, you type IDLE in the search apps. Yeah, there. IDLE. Okay. Nothing is there. No search has. Okay. Fine. Can you remove that? Backspace. Remove that. And can you say Python? Remove that. Yeah. Can you say Python? PYTH. Just slowly. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Now we have 3 applications, right? So
Yes.
Python 3.11, which is 64-bit. There is Python launcher. Okay. Python launchers, you have two numbers, right? So I want you to uninstall Python 3.11.4. Okay. So select using mouse, select that. Yeah. And try to uninstall it. Yeah, you selected it. So where is the uninstall option? Can you just check? Right side, there are three dots, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you see if, there you have uninstall. Uninstall it. We will install it at a later point in time. Okay. So this is the uninstallation process of your IDLE. Okay. Integrated Development and Learning Environment. That is the full form for IDLE. Okay. It is Integrated Development and Learning. Okay. So you should have heard about IDE. So IDLE is something, but learning is another component added to IDE. That's it. IDE is Integrated Development Environment, but IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay. So remember all these, because whatever we are discussing, you have to remember all these points. Yeah, let it be uninstalled. Okay, uninstall was successful, right? Then you can say close. Fantastic. Now what we can do is, so can you open your Explorer using Windows E button? Windows E. It will open your Explorer.
That's E. This
Windows,
is minimize, sir.
Windows plus, no, let it be like this, no problem. We will, Windows E. E for elephant. Yes. Okay. So downloads, can you go into your downloads? And I just wanted to check if you have Python IDLE software downloaded already. Open that.
Yes.
Okay. So you already have downloaded the exe file. Okay.
Yes.
So we can use that at a later point in time. Okay, no problem. Now,
Okay.
what you do is go to C drive. C drive in the
Go to
left
C drive,
pane.
sir.
In the left pane, okay, scroll down.
Okay.
In the left pane, scroll down. Maximize this window first of all. Can you maximize this window?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, in the left pane, go to C drive. There is C drive,
Okay.
right?
It's
So,
this is use it's use your mouse.
yeah, you can use your mouse. That's not a problem. When I ask you to type something, then you can use command, right? So, C drive. Underneath the PC, you have C drive. Windows C.
Yes.
Yeah, that is C drive. Correct. Expand that by pressing the arrow key towards the left of that C drive. No, not that. Wherever you have clicked, right? You already clicked. So there is one small arrow. Right side arrow is there. In the left pane itself. No. You are not. In the left pane itself, you have clicked the C drive, right? You have selected C drive.
Yes.
Bottom left, not there. Bottom left. You move your cursor. Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Yes.
There is an expansion arrow there. You have to expand. Then you can go to users. Double click on users. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have Sivavi, right? So you go to that folder.
Yes.
Move to that folder. Okay. Double click. So then you have to go to the address bar and you have to type / and your app data. Go to the address bar. See users SAV. Yeah. Enter. Right. And yeah, / app data. App data. Enter. Because this folder is normally not visible. It is hidden. So we are trying to open it. Okay. So local. Double click.
Going to local.
Yes, you have to go to local.
Yes. Okay.
Then you have to go to programs. One minute. Don't do like that. Stop. So I will give you easier way. Okay. You select AMD. Just select. Don't double click. One click. Okay. Then on your keyboard you press P. P for Pune. P. So did it go near P? It had gone. It had navigated to the folders which starts with name P. Correct? So there you will find programs. So that is the easier way than scrolling down. So keyboard is also very important. Programs. Double click on programs or you go to programs and press enter. So both ways you can do that. Okay. Now Python. Okay. Python 3.1.1. Okay. Earlier, there were few files, correct? When the installation, when the installation was there, if you can just check your earlier video recording that we have uploaded. So there are few files. Now there are no files here. Okay.
No files.
So what you can do is right click in the empty space. Right click in the empty space, not on the scripts. You have to come down slow. Move the cursor slightly down. Yeah, that's it. In the white space. No, don't touch anything. Yeah, right click. Don't go on the script. Why are you going on scripts? In the empty white space. Yeah, right click. And then say new. Go to new. Okay. and you don't have any association here. Okay, so your PyCharm actually does not have any association. Okay, so create okay, and new, and then can you say text document? Let us see how it goes. Select a text document from the list. New, from the new, you have to select text document. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then you type sample python dot py. Sample 01 dot 01 dot py. Nine. Remove that. Remove that. Sample, no space, nothing. 01 dot py. Enter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we have created, you have to remember this path. C users, Sivavi, app data, local, Python, Python 311. That is how you have to remember the path.
Okay.
So can you double click on that file? Let us see what happens. Can we associate that with PyCharm? PyCharm we have not removed it, right? So it is opening as a text file. Let it be,
Yes.
don't close, don't close. Okay. In that, you type print, open and close the regular round brackets.
Okay.
Inside that, you type with single quotes, you type, my name is Shiva. M should be capital. All the sentences should, name is Shiva. Close the bracket. Close the, yeah, that's it. Now close the file. And when it asks for save yes or no, you have to press save. Close the file. Into mark, you can just press, yeah. Control D will not work
Control
here.
S.
Yeah,
Control S.
Control S is for save, and you can Control X, I hope, is to quit the file. Just check. Control S is
Control
for
S not
saving.
press.
Control S is done. Control X.
X is
not working. Okay, then
not
you can press the into mark. Let us not worry about that. Later we will see what is the
Okay.
right click on the file. Right click on the file. Okay, and then you say open with second option. Correct. Choose another app. Choose another app. So basically we are trying to associate a file. Okay.
Okay.
So now you see PyCharm Community Edition, correct?
Yes, sir.
So click on that, select on that, and then always. Yeah. Okay. So now
Yes,
we
sir.
have completed file association. So earlier we had Python IDLE. We uninstalled it. Okay. We have gone to the folder. Okay. And then what we have done, we have created a file. We have inserted a print statement in that, and we have associated the file with PyCharm, right?
Okay, sir.
And now
Yes, sir.
what we have done, we have associated the file with PyCharm, and now the moment you are trying to open it, okay, PyCharm is automatically getting opened, correct?
Okay. Yes.
So yeah, you can select on stay in light edit or open in project. You can select open in project. No, open in project. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then you say okay. You say, okay, it is just showing the path. You can just say, okay. Okay. Trust the project. Select that.
So,
Shiva, you are slightly quick. You have to listen to the instructions carefully. Okay, no
okay,
problem. No, don't do anything. Don't do anything.
okay,
Okay. So you
okay, sir.
maximize this window. Maximize this window. Okay. So see, underneath indexing is happening, right? Blue line is coming. Okay.
Sir.
Blue line is progressing multiple times. Don't do anything unless I
Okay,
tell you to do something. Okay.
okay, okay.
So read library code easily. You can press, got it. Yeah, you can select, got it from the,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. So now I think, we have opened it successfully. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
what we can do is we can actually run the file. Okay. Since
Yes.
you have selected something else, the file, is not showing up. Okay. So what you have
Yes.
to do is, see, observe it very clearly. We have renamed the file as sample01.py, correct?
PY. Text.
But
PY only.
.txt also has come. Have you observed
Yes.
that?
Yes, sir.
So that is not what we want, because this is not an Python executable file. It has taken it as a text file. Okay.
Text file.
So most probably what will happen is, since your Windows Explorer did not give the view of the file extension. Okay, we don't know what extension it had. So can you go to the Windows Explorer by using Alt Tab?
Okay,
Alt
sir.
Tab. Don't use mouse.
Okay.
Alt Tab. Can you go to Explorer, Windows Explorer? Yeah. Okay. So can you from the left pane, can you select your my PC, this PC or my PC, whatever is there in the left pane. Scroll down. Yeah, this PC. Select that. Select that. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Then go to view. On the top bar, you have view.
Top bar, sir.
Yeah, top bar, you have view. Top, not there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Select that.
Okay.
Okay. So then details. Select the details from that list.
Details. Okay. Okay.
Yes, details. Okay. And then can you go down, please? Favorites, sample.py. Okay. Still it is showing as sample.py only. It is not showing the
Yes.
complete path. Actually, it has taken as a text file, correct?
Text file. Yes,
So
sir.
can you go on C drive, select C drive on the left pane, in the left pane, right click on C drive and say properties. C drive, right click, say properties.
Properties.
Yeah, properties. Okay. So let me see where those files are. Just hold on for a while. Compress this drive. No. Allow files on this drive to add contents in text. No. Okay. This is general tab, right? Previous versions, quota, sharing, hardware. Can you select details?
Can you select the details? Yes, sir.
Details. Beside
Okay,
the
sir.
C drive, you have details, right? Can you just select that? No, in the properties window, I'm talking about properties window. Yeah. Down there is details. Yeah, details. Select the details.
Yes.
Okay, storage, system reserved, install apps. Okay.
Scrolling
So yeah. Just hold on because this is some other operating system that we have. I have Windows 10. I think you have Windows 11, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just hold on for a while.
Okay, sir.
Where is the view available? I'll just check. One moment, please hold on. View file. Because if we can solve that, majority of the problems are done. Okay. Okay, can you go to a Windows Explorer once again using Alt Tab? Alt Tab. Okay, then View. Show. Okay, then file name extensions. Yes. Okay. So now, can you go to our C drive, that entire path? Can you type the entire path on the in the address bar? You remember that path, right? C users. Normally that will be stored. So if you just type C in the address bar, I think it should appear. Maximize the window because until unless you maximize the window, you will not get sufficient space for you to see.
Okay.
You will be distracted with other these things. Yeah. Hold on. So under recent, okay, under recent, now you see sample01.py.txt. Did you see that?
Text. Okay. Okay.
So go select that file. Okay. Don't double click. You're Shiva, you are very quick. Don't do that. Okay. Don't double click. Yeah. Can you press F2? Function F2. Renaming the file.
Yes, sir. F2 pressing, sir.
No. What you have to do is, do you have
F2
function key? No. Please hold on. Listen to me carefully. Do you have function key on your keyboard?
Keyboard F2.
No. I'm talking about only function key, nothing else. FN key is there.
Yes, sir.
Press that and then press F2.
Sir, already I press it.
It is not coming?
No, not coming.
Okay, then right click on the file and say rename. Which file are you? Yeah, that file. Right click on the file name, not on the date. You actually, when I say right click on the file, it has to be on the, yeah.
Yes.
So is there any rename option here? Just check. Show more options.
Show more options.
Show more options. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I selected. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Edit.
And then you say, yeah, 1 minute,
Edit.
please hold on. Edit. Correct. Okay. Edit is opening this. I wanted to rename the file. So your option of edit is wrong. Correct?
Wrong.
Okay.
That is wrong.
Now once again, close this file. Okay, there
Okay,
will be option called rename. Just check once again, right click on the file. You have to be quick. Right click on the file. Then show
more
more
options.
properties. Yeah, show more
Okay,
options. And
options.
then there should be some rename option. Just check where it is. Edit with scan, open with give path, restore, send to, copy, create, open file location, properties. Can you go to open file location? Open file location.
Okay,
Last but one. Last but one.
okay,
Yes. Okay. So now can you
okay.
press F2 and check function F2 and check function F2 button? Yeah,
Yes,
this come right. Now you press end
yes.
button. End button. Home, not home. End. Where is your end button on the keyboard?
Okay, sir. Control and
No, no, no. Whatever it is, your cursor has to go to the last character T.
okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
fine. Now using backspace, remove till py. Py has to be there. Txt dot txt has to be removed.
Remove, sir.
Yeah, 4 times you press. Yeah, that's it. One more time. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Enter. Enter. No double enter, only one enter. Yeah.
One
And
enter
are you
only, sir.
sure?
If you change.
Are you? Yeah. Yes. You can say
Yes, sir.
yes. You can say yes.
Okay,
Okay. That is your file name changing. Okay. Now you go
okay,
to your
okay.
PyCharm window using Alt Tab.
PyCharm.
No mouse. Yeah. PyCharm already we have opened this file, right? So go to that
Okay, sir.
PyCharm window. Alt Tab. You have to be quick because time is running out. I will be having another meeting most probably. Yeah.
PyCharm.
PyCharm, you have skipped that. Yeah, PyCharm. Open that.
Okay,
Okay. Then you say okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah, let us see what happens. Okay. 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 What does it say?
Okay.
Yeah, it says some
Double
error.
shift.
Now you see that you have the file name correct, right? Earlier it was
Yes, sir.
sample01.py.txt. Now it has changed. We
Okay.
have, yeah. Now
Sample
select that
0.
file. Select
Yeah.
that file. Okay. Now, do you have, double click on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Already.
Now on the top bar, you have a play button and a small, insect-like button. Correct? On the
Sir.
top bar of PyCharm, just can you just select the play button, please? Yeah. Run. Correct. Click it. Now what it says, you can see this. Okay.
Cannot run forward.
Problem. Okay. So
Okay.
why it is not running means it does not find the Python executable file to run the
Okay.
program. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you have to do is your assignment is, okay, close this window, note down the points. I will tell you, note down the points. Okay. Close this window. Okay. And then go to your download folder. You have executable file there, right? So you have the installer there. Okay. You go to that download folder and install Python. We have uninstalled Python ideally, correct? So you
Okay.
install Python and then once again open that file, the same file in PyCharm and then execute it.
Okay.
Okay, these are the four to five steps. First thing is you have to close the window. Okay.
Okay.
Second thing is downloads folder. You have to navigate to download folder. You have to install Python. Okay. Then you select the same file and double click it so that you open the file in the PyCharm. Fifth point. Sixth point is you run the play button your code has to execute. So these are the 6 pointers. Okay.
Oh.
And finally, you share me the screenshot. I will have a look at it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay then. Thank you so much. Any doubts, don't
Thank you.
hesitate to ping me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.